Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker. Today I'm going to show you how to make a 3-layer tulle patriotic bow. So let's get started. The first thing that I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra bow wire. I've cut a piece and folded it in half. I'm going to lay it down into the Bowdabra and just tuck it in underneath so it stays out of my way. The next thing that I'm going to do is I have these 3 pieces of tulle, and we're just going to put our tails into the Bowdabra. So we're just going to lay our tails in. And I have red, white, and blue, so we're going to make this very patriotic. Then what I'm going to do is take my roses. I'm going to lay these in here. So again, I've got my very patriotic roses. Lay them in. Put another one in here, another one here. And then I've already layered my tulle. So to make it a little bit easier, and I'm just going to scrunch this in. This is what I love about Bowdabra, because the tulle is very, very thin. And so, but Bowdabra will hold it in place. So we're just going to fold it back and forth and fold it back over. So you can make a 3-layer ribbon bow or even 4, but I wanted to show it with the tulle because the tulle can be very difficult to work with when you're trying to put a couple of layers together and you don't have the Bowdabra. So now what I'm going to do is just come right back into the center here, make a littler loop, fold it back over, and make another little loop here, and take my wand, give everything a good scrunch. Then I'm going to take my Bowdabra bow wire, pull it through the slip knot, which is why I folded it in half to begin with. Pull it really tight and take it out of my Bowdabra. And you can see I'm not struggling with it at all. Now I'm going to separate the ends, bring it around to the back, tie a knot. And this could be a really pretty, I'm going to double knot it here, could be really pretty as either a patriotic centerpiece, or I'm just going to kind of bring everything around here, or you could tie it onto a wreath for a really pretty wreath bow. So isn't this a gorgeous bow? Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.